coloured pack covers. But the weather's in, you can't even see the top.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
When it's raining in the morning, you got to pack up everything in the tent. I've packed up and I'll meet Cyril at the supermarket. But the weather's in, you can't even see the top. Just before 7, I'm making my way down the mountain. It's not raining a lot, but it is raining. But it's quite slippy underfoot. The viewpoint for today. Yeah. There are a succession of these little sculpture thingies all the way down the mountain. Haven't seen many of these, but that's a fine looking specimen. Good morning, day 7, a week. Just on a small bit of road between two paths. Yeah, yesterday, fantastic day getting up to the top there. Managed to get my tent up before the rain started, and really it's been raining on and off all night, and it's raining this morning. So, yeah, today got a sort of 9k distance to get to a supermarket. I need to get food, so, and then we have an uphill to I think the only concentration camp in France, which is, yeah, pretty humbling. And then from there, another 7 or 8 kilometers maybe to another wild camp. But yeah, hiker's worst day, putting your tent away when it's raining. But yeah, you have worse days. So let's see where today takes us. It's pretty dark. Pretty dark. Ooh. Look at this for water. Supermarket visit and a quick coffee. Oh, and a carrot. Leaving the town to go up into the hills. There she is, looking out over the valley. Oh, looking across at the mine. What a beautiful water source. And Felix and Charlotte. School children coming to learn about the 90 French resistance people gassed here, and the hundreds and hundreds and hundreds shipped off to Birkenau. Yeah, not much you can say. Pack covers, coloured pack covers. It was a dark, dark time, and some of Cyril's family were caught up in this. It's terrible. It's a very humbling place, and thankfully there are hundreds of school kids coming to see and to learn. After a long period in the forest, we pop out to a massive open area. We get a lot of these cycle groups. When nothing else grows and there are no horizontal boughs, you can always take a logging path when the signs don't agree to the app and you find you're in the wrong place. That's enough. There they go. So I pitched my tent. It's a breezy spot, but I've opened it all up so it can dry. And that's where the top of the mountain is. My tent is almost dry, and hanging out my bags inside out has dried those off as well.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.